Hey there, I know I said I was going to take a break from the videos for a bit until the live stream Saturday, but I lied. When you got a giant robot, you want to work on it. So this morning, this is right before I go to work. Yeah, I still got my job thanks to the baloney virus and it being considered essential. And there were some birds earlier today shagging in a bush, so what a morning, eh? But today I did some work, hopefully bringing the right arm, or left arm here, outwards a little more by putting on this brace. But there's a lot of cracks appearing on this PVC, so I might end up just replacing this entire post right here with some fresh non-cracked PVC. Which means I get to take it off again and rebuild it, and that'll be a lot of fun. I don't think I'll be recording that. It's just a quick job, really. And I might put another brace on this arm. I haven't done so yet, but I am about to run late for work. So I guess that will be all for today. If you enjoy my videos, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.